Hello everyone, Jack here. Welcome to Infinite Curiosity. Welcome to our channel. And let's be real, we've all been there. Stuck at home, twiddling our thumbs, staring at the wall like it's about to drop a new album. It's a universal feeling. But fear not, my friends, because boredom is about to get a serious makeover. We're about to unlock a treasure chest of fun right from your living room. So, grab your favorite snack and get ready to banish boredom with these 25 awesome things to do at home. Let's dive in. 1. Alright, time to channel your inner chef. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, the kitchen is a fantastic place to experiment. Try out new recipes, bake some delicious treats, or even create your own culinary masterpiece. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to pass the time while having fun. 2. Let's give your home a fresh new look. Start by rearranging your furniture to create a new layout. Add a splash of color by painting an accent wall or two. Don't forget to hang some new artwork or photos to personalize your space. Small changes can make a big difference. 3. Escape to another world. Whether it's a thrilling mystery, a heartwarming romance, or an epic fantasy, books have the power to transport you to different realms. Find a cozy spot, grab your favorite drink, and let the pages whisk you away on an unforgettable adventure. 4. It's time for a binge-watching extravaganza. Gather your favorite snacks, pick a series or movie franchise you've been wanting to watch, and settle in for a cozy marathon. Whether it's a classic sitcom, an epic fantasy series, or a thrilling movie saga, there's nothing like getting lost in a great story from the comfort of your home. 5. Get those endorphins pumping. Exercising at home is a fantastic way to stay fit and healthy. Whether you prefer jumping rope, practicing yoga, or lifting weights, there are countless ways to keep active without leaving your house. Plus, it's a great way to boost energy levels. 6. Knowledge is power, people. Why not take this time to learn something new? Whether it's picking up a new hobby, mastering a musical instrument, or diving into a new book, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the opportunity to expand your horizons and grow. 7. Start a creative project. Unleash your inner artist. Whether it's painting, drawing, or crafting, there's no limit to what you can create. Let your imagination run wild. It's a fantastic way to relax, express yourself, and even make unique gifts for friends and family. 8. Organize and declutter. A clean space equals a clear mind. Start by tackling one area at a time, like your closet or desk. Donate items you no longer need, and find creative storage solutions for the rest. You'll be amazed at how much more productive and relaxed you feel in an organized environment. 9. Game on. Time for some friendly competition. Gather your friends or family and dive into a world of games. Whether it's a classic board game, an intense video game session, or a fun card game, there's something for everyone. Enjoy the thrill of victory and the lessons of defeat. 10. Let's get our hands dirty in a good way. Gardening is a fantastic way to connect with nature and relieve stress. Whether you're planting flowers, growing vegetables, or simply tending to your indoor plants, the act of nurturing something can be incredibly rewarding. Plus, you'll get to enjoy the fruits of your labor, quite literally. So grab your gardening tools and let's get started. 11. Find your inner Zen master. Meditation and mindfulness can be incredibly beneficial for your mental health. Take a few minutes each day to sit quietly, focus on your breath, and let go of any stress. Whether you're in a serene garden or your living room, this practice can help you find peace and clarity. 12. Tune in and zone out. Dive into the world of podcasts and audiobooks. Whether you're into thrilling mysteries, insightful interviews, or captivating stories, there's something for everyone. Perfect for multitasking or simply unwinding, these audio experiences can transform your downtime into an enriching adventure. 13. Plan your future goals. Dream big, my friend. Take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve. Write down your aspirations, create a vision board, or set specific goals. This is your chance to map out your future and make your dreams a reality. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward. 14. Virtual tours and museums. Explore the world from your couch. You can visit renowned museums like the Louvre, the British Museum, or the Smithsonian without leaving your home. Many of these virtual tours are interactive, allowing you to zoom in on exhibits and learn fascinating details. It's a fantastic way to spend your time, especially if you love art, history, or culture. 15. Themed Night Extravaganza. Let's spice things up. How about hosting a theme night? Pick a fun theme like the 80s, a tropical luau, or even a movie marathon. Decorate your space, dress up, and prepare themed snacks and drinks. It's a fantastic way to break the monotony and create unforgettable memories with friends and family. 16. You deserve a little TLC. Take some time to pamper yourself, whether it's a luxurious bath, a soothing face mask, or simply moisturizing your skin. These small acts of self-care can make a big difference. Treat yourself to some relaxation and rejuvenation. 17. Time to tackle that to-do list. Whether it's painting a room, assembling new furniture, or organizing your closet, there's always something you can do to improve your home. Get creative and make your space more enjoyable. 18. Reach out and spread the love. In these times, it's more important than ever to stay connected with those we care about. Schedule regular video calls, send heartfelt messages, or even share funny memes. These small gestures can make a big difference in maintaining strong relationships and lifting spirits. 19. Dance like nobody's watching. Bust a move. Dancing is a fantastic way to lift your spirits and get some exercise. Whether you're grooving to your favorite tunes or trying out new dance moves, let loose and have fun. Remember, it's all about enjoying yourself and feeling the rhythm. 20. Home Spa Day. Relaxation mode activated. Transform your home into a serene spa retreat. Start with a soothing bubble bath, light some aromatic candles, and play calming music. Treat yourself to a facial, a manicure, or a foot soak. Sip on herbal tea and let all your stress melt away. Enjoy your personal oasis. 21. Music to my ears. Create the ultimate soundtrack. Whether you're jamming out on your guitar, mixing beats on your laptop, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes with headphones, music can be a great way to pass the time. Try writing your own song or have a virtual jam session with friends. Let the music inspire you. 22. Virtual volunteering. Make a difference from home. There are numerous ways to get involved. from tutoring students online to helping nonprofits with administrative tasks. You can also participate in virtual fundraising events or offer your skills to organizations in need. It's a fulfilling way to spend your time and make a positive impact on the world, all from the comfort of your home. 23. Educational documentaries. Learn something new and exciting. Dive into the world of knowledge with educational documentaries. Whether it's history, science, or nature, there's always something fascinating to discover. Perfect for a solo watch or a family gathering, these documentaries can spark interesting conversations and broaden your horizons. 24. Photography fun. Capture the beauty around you. Whether it's the vibrant colors of a blooming flower, the serene landscape of a sunset, or the intricate details of everyday objects, photography allows you to see the world from a new perspective. Experiment with different angles, lighting, and subjects to create stunning images. Don't forget to share your masterpieces with friends and family. 25. DIY Science and Crafts. Unleash your inner child. Dive into the world of science with fun experiments or get creative with arts and crafts. Whether it's making slime, building a volcano, or crafting unique decorations, there's something for everyone. Enjoy these activities with family and friends for endless fun. And there you have it. 25 ways to transform boredom from a drag into a grand old time. Remember, your home is your playground. So go ahead and explore, create, and most importantly, have a blast together. Thank you for watching. What was your favorite activity from the video? Let us know in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to share this video, subscribe to our channel, and give a thumbs up for our channel to grow. Have a great night or day. Until next time.